Today we're going to solve the algebra mystery. The algebra mystery is just discovering what's inside the box. And my friend gave me this, they told me that if I could solve this algebra equation, I could figure out what's in the box before I even open it. When we solve an algebra equation, we can let anything stand for the box. I'm going to use an X because that's what you see most of the time. The first step in solving an algebra equation is to get x's to one side and the numbers to the other side of the equal sign. We do that by transposing. Notice that the T in transposing looks like a plus sign, just like the ribbon on the back of the box looks like a plus sign. So the first thing I'm going to do is add or subtract to move things around. I want to keep the equal sign in the middle. If I want this 2x on the other side of the equal sign, the opposite of adding is subtracting. So I'm going to subtract 2x from both sides. At the same time, I want to move this negative 23 to the other side of the equal sign by doing the opposite. The opposite. The opposite of subtracting is adding. All things are still equal. Now I'm going to add. The rule for adding when we have different signs is to keep the sign of the larger number and subtract the numbers. This is assumed to be positive. Positive 5 plus negative 2x equals 3x. These two cancel, as well as these two cancel. This is understood to be positive. 37 plus 23, I believe, equals 60. All things are still equal, and I have just taken the ribbon off the box. However, I still don't know what's in the box because I have to take the lid off. That brings me to the second point. Now I'm going to multiply or divide, the opposite of what's happening here. The opposite of multiplying, when two things touch as multiplying, is to divide. I'll divide both sides by 3. These cancel, leaving just x, equal sign. 60 divided by 3, I believe, is 20. I think there's $20 in this box. Let's see. When I take the lid off, indeed there is $20. I'll get to go to lunch. Now we can always check an algebra equation by putting our answer back in the original equation. Let's try that. 20 times 5. 5 times 20 minus 23 equals 37 plus 2 times 20. 5 times 20 is 100 minus 23 is 77. 37 times 2 times plus 2 times 20. 2 times 20 is 40. Plus 37 is also 77. So our answer checks. And we solved the mystery.